Every year, 370 people, on average, die from not wearing the seatbelt. That is 31% of people that aren't wearing their seatbelts. But good news, 69% of people are wearing seatbelts. Is that you?
These girls look like they're having a fun time with Harry Styles, not wearing their seatbelts, but soon they will die from getting into a car accident, and just because they did not wear their seatbelts, consequences, they kill you.
Make a difference in your life. It takes about 3 seconds to buckle your seatbelt. That 3 extra seconds could save your life. Buckle up.
Made by Joan,
Michaela,
Molly.
Moop Foop You Production.
Hello.
buckle up. Harry's even buckled up. You should too.
Hey.
My name is Jacob Buckworth, and I approve this message.